Has the president and commander-in-chief said anything about the spate of kidnappings in Nigeria? Has he come out to address the nation and tell the nation that he feels their pain? Has President Muhammadu Buhari bothered to find out what is going on with you and your life? You said next level, or you didn't say next level. You said 4 plus 4, or you didn't say 4 plus 4. Does it now matter to President Muhammadu Buhari? Have we not seen the different people that are coming out crying on social media every day saying that their loved ones have been kidnapped? Has the president bothered to say anything? You know, it simply means one thing. He cares only about one person and one person alone. And that person is Muhammadu Buhari. When we say Muhammadu Buhari is incompetent, clueless, and inept, you get angry over that. But you never get angry over the fact that the president has not provided leadership in this country. Any government that cannot secure the lives and properties of its citizens is not fit to be called a government. Muhammadu Buhari's government is not fit to be called a government. It has failed in every ramification. The one place that you would have thought that a president would excel, even if it feels that every other thing was security, he hasn't. Where is Governor El-Rufai? Where is Governor El-Rufai? Was he not on Abuja-Kaduna Road telling us that he has chased away the kidnappers? Did we not see him entering the bush? Why is he no longer entering the bush? Where is the police, the super cop that we call Kyari? Where is he? Citizens are being killed. Citizens are being abducted. Citizens are living in fear. Citizens are being cowed. It will not happen. This nation belongs to all of us, and every one of us must be a Nigerian that is protected by the state's machinery the way every other person is protected. We will not live like animals in our country. We will not go home every day being scared of being taken. We will not go home thinking we might be the next victim. Our children are looking at us to stand up and make demands against this government that has failed in every ramification. A failure it is.